Matthew 2.
إصحاح 2.
Now after Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea
ولما اتولد يسوع في بيت لحم اليهودية
in the days of Herod the king,
في أيام هيرودس الملك،
behold, wise men from the east came to Jerusalem saying,
قام علماء فلك من الشرق جم أورشليم بيقولوا
Where is he who has been born King of the Jews?
فين هو المولود ملك اليهود؟
For we saw his star when it rose and have come to worship him.
عشان احنا شفنا نجمه في الشرق وجينا عشان نسجد له.
When Herod the king heard this, he was troubled, and all Jerusalem with him.
فلما سمع هيرودس الملك اتربك وكل أورشليم وياه.
And assembling all the chief priests and scribes of the people, he inquired of them where the Christ was to be born.
فجمع كل رؤساء الكهنة وكتبة الشعب وسألهم فين يتولد المسيح.
They told him,
In Bethlehem of Judea.
فقالوا له في بيت لحم اليهودية.
For so it is written by the prophet.
عشان هو مكتوب كده على لسان النبي.
And you, O Bethlehem, in the land of Judah,
وانت يا بيت لحم أرض يهوذا
are by no means least among the rulers of Judah.
ما انتيش الصغيرة بين المدن الرئيسية في يهوذا.
For from you shall come a ruler who will shepherd my people Israel.
عشان منك هيخرج راعي يدبر أمور شعب إسرائيل.
Then Herod summoned the wise men secretly and ascertained from them what time the star had appeared.
وقتها نادى هيرودس العلماء بتوع الفلك في السر واستفسر منهم عن وقت النجم اللي ظهر.
And he sent them to Bethlehem saying,
بعدين بعتهم لبيت لحم وقال
Go and search diligently for the child.
روحوا ودوروا بدقة عن الولد.
And when you have found him, bring me word, that I too may come and worship him.
ووقت ما تلاقوه بلغوني عشان اجي انا كمان واسجد له.
After listening to the king, they went on their way.
فلما سمعوا من الملك راحوا.
And behold, the star that they had seen when it rose went before them
وقام النجم اللي شافوه في الشرق يمشي قدامهم.
until it came to rest over the place where the child was.
لحد ما جه ووقف فوق مكان الولد.
When they saw the star, they rejoiced exceedingly with great joy.
فلما شافوا النجم فرحوا فرح كبير قوي.
And going into the house, they saw the child with Mary, his mother.
وجم للبيت وشافوا الولد مع مريم أمه.
And they fell down and worshipped him.
فنزلوا وسجدوا له.
Then, opening their treasures, they offered him gifts.
بعدين فتحوا كنوزهم وقدموا له هدايا.
Gold and frankincense and myrrh.
ذهب والبان ومر.
And being warned in a dream not to return to Herod,
بعدين لما جالهم وحي في حلم انهم ما يرجعوش لهيرودس
they departed to their own country by another way.
روحوا في طريق تاني على بلدهم.
Now when they had departed, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared to Joseph in a dream and said,
وبعد ما روحوا ملاك الرب ظهر ليوسف في حلم بيقول له
Rise, take the child and his mother, and flee to Egypt.
قوم وخد الولد وامه واهرب لمصر.
And remain there until I tell you.
وخليك هناك لحد ما اقول لك.
For Herod is about to search for the child to destroy him.
لان هيرودس ناوي انه يطلب الولد عشان يموته.
And he rose and took the child and his mother by night and departed to Egypt.
فقام وخد الولد وامه بالليل وراح على مصر.
And remained there until the death of Herod.
وفضل هناك لحد موت هيرودس.
This was to fulfill what the Lord had spoken by the prophet.
عشان يحصل اللي اتقال من عند الرب على لسان النبي اللي قال
Out of Egypt I called my son.
من مصر ناديت ابني.
Then Herod, when he saw that he had been tricked by the wise men, became furious.
وقتها لما شاف هيرودس ان العلماء بتوع الفلك ضحكوا عليه اتضايق قوي.
And he sent and killed all the male children in Bethlehem and in all that region
فبعت وقتل كل الصبيان اللي في بيت لحم وفي كل الحدود بتاعتها
who were 2 years old or under,
من ابن سنتين فأقل.
according to the time that he had ascertained from the wise men.
على حسب الوقت اللي استفسر عنه من العلماء بتوع الفلك.
Then was fulfilled what was spoken by the prophet Jeremiah.
وقتها حصل اللي اتقال على لسان أرميا النبي اللي قال
A voice was heard in Ramah,
صوت اتسمع في الرامة
weeping and loud lamentation.
صريخ وعياط ونحيب كتير.
Rachel weeping for her children.
رحيل بتعيط على ولادها
She refused to be comforted
ومش عايزة تتعزى
because they are no more.
عشان هم مش موجودين.
But when Herod died, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared in a dream to Joseph in Egypt, saying,
فلما مات هيرودس ملاك الرب ظهر في حلم ليوسف في مصر بيقول له
Rise, take the child and his mother, and go to the land of Israel.
قوم وخد الولد وأمه وروح لأرض إسرائيل.
For those who sought the child's life are dead.
لأنه خلاص مات اللي كانوا بيطلبوا نفس الولد.
And he rose and took the child and his mother and went to the land of Israel.
فقام وخد الولد وأمه وجه لأرض إسرائيل.
But when he heard that Archelaus was reigning over Judea,
ولكن لما سمع إن أرخيلاوس بقى ملك على اليهودية
in place of his father Herod,
بدل من هيرودس أبوه،
he was afraid to go there.
خاف إنه يروح على هناك.
And being warned in a dream,
ولما جاله وحي في حلم
he withdrew to the district of Galilee.
راح على نواحي الجليل.
And he went and lived in a city called Nazareth,
وجه وسكن في مدينة بيتقال عنها ناصرة،
that what was spoken by the prophets might be fulfilled.
عشان يحصل اللي اتقال على لسان الأنبياء.
He shall be called a Nazarene.
إنه هيتسمى نصراني.